Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, and welcome. My name is Martyn Lucas, and I'm the day trader. I go live every morning for the opening and closing bell. Everything you see here is real. This is my real shares, my real positions, my real money. If it goes to zero, it goes to zero. I have nothing. Just got a couple of grand in the bank to pay the day-to-day bills. Literally, this is my life savings here on the line. That's what makes this channel real. And every day I'm joined by traders from around the world investing and trading their real shares and their real positions with you. So there you go. Welcome everyone. And you can see the markets are looking very, very nice indeed today. It's been an amazing day. I believe that growth stocks have hit the bottom. That's what it certainly looks like right now. Not all stocks. I don't think we're at the bottom of everything, but high growth, high risk stocks, I think so. We've had now nearly a month of growth on my portfolio. Nearly a month now. It's been absolutely fantastic. So it certainly looks that way. So you decide, what do you think? To me, it looks like that. So we'll find out as we trade throughout the day. Looking very, very nice indeed. So let me just clear something on the screen just a minute. My docs just popped up. Let's get rid of that. There we go. Okay. The portfolio right now is 35,000. We were at 27 just a few weeks ago. We are up on the live position, which is our hour position. We are up on the day position, which is great. We are up on the week, and we're not that far away now. Just $484 away from a month. Up on the month. Now that would tell me that we are pretty much at the bottom, at least with the stocks that I have got. So that's what I'm predicting right now. I called it a recession before anybody else. I also called the bottom before anyone else, and I am standing by that. Okay, but of course, what do I know? I'm just a guy on YouTube. No idea what I'm talking about. All right, so let's welcome everybody in this morning, this afternoon rather. It's a good day. Welcome. Who was here first? Dexter Sickles was here first. Let's do day trader of the day. He posted that a long time ago. And Mike was here first, James as well. And now we have Brickmark now in the show live. Mike's over on Twitch. Thank you all of you that support me on Twitch, guys. I really, really do appreciate it. We are now up to 9 cents. We've made 9 cents. That's incredible growth. First day was 1 cent. Today was 9. Absolutely great. So if you're able and if you want to support the day trader and everything I do here without any cost to yourself whatsoever, open an extra tab on YouTube. Open an extra tab for Twitch or another device, and you're helping to support this channel without doing anything. Absolutely great. All right, there we go. Thank you very much indeed. On TikTok, welcome to all of you. Just a few away now from 20,000 followers, and one of my videos is on a third of a million now. Great. Hi, Queen. Mike's here. Rob Brennan. How are you today, Rob? I'm guessing from my calculations that you've made somewhere in the region of about $11,000 today. How does it feel? If I'm right, is that right? Is that about right? Anyway, Rob's here. Hi all. Hi, Mike. Lovely to have everyone here. Let's bring all the messages in. Hi, dear, says Queen of Self-Braiding. Rob, look at the friendliest crowd on YouTube. Guess how much money I've made today? I told you, didn't I? I say about $11,000. Yes, I did. There we go. Tell us, Rob. I'm reckoning 11 grand. The question is, though, will he sell it? That's the big question, and actually bank the money. It's a different ball game having it in your portfolio. As you know, it can go up and down, but I reckon he's made about 11 grand, somewhere like that. Anyway, I'm only guessing. Got a just rough idea. Anyway, thank you very much, everyone. Subscribe and ring the bell. Let us know you're all here. We celebrated a wonderful birthday. Dexter Sickles, you were asking earlier how you save the video. Very, very easy. There's lots of ways you can actually save the video. You can download the video, record the video. But the way I'd suggest you do it, which is one of the easiest ways, if I'm honest, one of the easiest ways is, first of all, you can share the video by just sharing the link for the video and telling people where to watch it at what time. That's one way you could do it. or you can create a clip. And if you want to create a clip, I made $350 today, Robbie Cooper. Yeah, congratulations to you, mate. Well done, everybody who's made some money. What you can do, though, is if you look at the video right now, I'll open up this video right now that you're watching right now, and you will see underneath the video, I'll come back to it when it's loaded, so we don't have to stare at a blank screen. Underneath the video, you'll actually see a pair of scissors, and that's what's called clip. And can you see underneath the video? Let me just scroll it up a bit. Still loading. I'm up. Oh, I just noticed Rob Brennan's numbers there. Look, there, see, clip. You make a clip just there, you see it? There you go, clip. And you can save a 1 minute part of the video. And the great thing about it is, you start it, it's only a minute clip, but then people can carry on watching it. So that's what you do. And that'll become your own video in the 4K quality that I produce, really great. Clip on the clip. You can set the start point and the end point for a 1 minute. And then if people want to carry on watching it, because Marcia's birthday was about, what, 3 or 4 minutes, maybe 5 minutes, they can carry on watching it. So that's how you can have my video copyright free on your channel or Facebook or message to anyone. And you can send it out and text it to anyone. Anyone can watch it, all right? Okay, let's come back to our superstar today, Rob Brennan. I am up 13,200. I now have 20,500 shares of space. Remember I said about 11 grand? I was guessing about 11. He's up 13.2. Absolutely awesome. Nice one, Rob Brennan. There you go. I'm so chuffed. I'm so glad you got in, because you wasn't going to get in, right? You were waiting for that 6.25, and I said, just get it. What does it matter? What does it matter? 25 cents when it goes up to $100. Who cares? So congratulations to you. Brilliant. Let's go for all our shares. 12.5%. Now then, Virgin Orbit is the two that go side by side for me. They are different businesses. They trade completely differently. Virgin Orbit was up today. It's dropped 13%. So I was trying to get back in on it. So I've just bought in another 100. I won about 2 grand's worth of Virgin Orbit. This is another one for the future. Different business. So it's a 15% swing today. I waited. I didn't sell it at the top. I could have done that and then bought it back, but I haven't done that. It just swung back down and I bought it. So I'm still up 2.5%. And if I've got a buy set for 325, and it doesn't matter because I'm near, I'm halfway there to my allocation, so it doesn't really matter. That's a nice position. Before it was a bit low, but $1,000 worth, that's okay, because that could double. That could be 2 grand in 5 minutes. So I'm happy with that. So anyway, I've set an order for it. We'll see if we get it. I'm not far behind you, Rob. Dexter Sickles, fantastic. He's just behind you as well. All right. Who's over there on Twitch? So I told you earlier that we actually now have managed to make 9 cents on Twitch, and I appreciate it. So if you can open a second tab, the more people that follow me there, the better it's going to become. And I'm trying to become a partner now, which is 75 average. Over there on TikTok, good afternoon. We're actually giving away a cash prize in the morning on the show, on YouTube. This is my YouTube broadcast right here. The link's in the profile, youtube.com/thedaytrader1. In the morning, we're giving away a $10 cash prize. On August the 4th, we're giving away a $100 cash prize. We give away a cash prize every Friday. And if you want to be in it, just come into YouTube. It's free. It's free to all. You don't have to pay anything. It's free to enter the competition. You get the link for a video, and every week I release a video, and you watch it. And then if you are the lucky person that gets picked out, and all you have to do is like it and leave a comment, and you can win our cash prize. We're giving away $100 on August the 4th. All right, so there you go. Thank you, Mike, for being over there on Twitch. Remember, always keep YouTube open. YouTube is the home, right? Don't forget that. Okay, now if you come over from TikTok into YouTube, the link's in the profile, by the way. Link's in here. in the profile, just in there. youtube.com/thedaytrader1, all links in the profile. Say, I've come over from TikTok and I'd like to be in your cash prize draw. Tell me and I'll give you the information you need, all right? I've got to get back to my YouTubers. That's the family, right? Okay, here we go. Vanguard S&P is up 1.52. SPCE now is up nearly 13%, 12.48 to be precise. Now, Virgin Orbit down. I'm picking up some more. Tesla, brilliant. I mean, I've got an order for 650. I mean, do I need to leave it there? I don't know if it's ever going to go there again, to be quite honest. Rivian is now maturing. Rivian is now maturing, right? We had that IPO, went ridiculous, went to 170. I always said it was only worth $20, and it was. It hadn't produced anything, hadn't made anything. Everyone got excited. It was a hype and pump and dump. And I made money all the way up, and it was great. But at the end of the day, it then finally fell down because of all the inflation and the fear and the war and this and that. And it went down to $20. I started to load up. I have 26 shares of it now, and I'm fine with that. And we're now up 18%. And it's now probably worth about $30 because it's starting to produce cars. It's starting to make money. And if I'm honest, I could see it going up to $50 quite easily in the next year. In the next year, it could go up to $50. So I'm holding this one now. And to be honest with you, I feel I've bought it at the very bottom. I don't think it'll ever be there again. I don't think it'll ever be down under $20 again, ever. Ever. I think it's going to be all right now. Bar a stock market crash or whatever, and that isn't a real indication, is it? It's just a flash crash, whatever. It bounces back. So there you go. I feel that's good, and I feel Lucid is also the bottom now. Polestar, I'm not buying any more. I don't need any more. Arrival, just holding that. That's had a good day today. I'm down very slightly, though, only slightly. Amazon, finally returning where it needs to be. Just 5% away from profit. Do you think we could see $8 tomorrow in space? If I'm totally honest with you, I don't know. And the reason why I say that is this stock at the moment is an opportunity for people that aren't investing in Virgin Galactic. This is an opportunity. It's a bit like the same reason, to be honest, if I'm honest with you, it's the same reason why I think Bitcoin's gone up today. All of a sudden, Bitcoin was rubbish yesterday, and now Bitcoin's great again, right? All it is high-risk stocks look attractive for people that don't know what they're doing, so they buy it, and that makes it go up. So people are going, oh, look, the crash is over. It's all going to be great now. Let's buy the best thing in the world, Bitcoin. Bitcoin is just a sheep. It's just following everything else. And everyone who doesn't know what they're doing is buying a bit of Bitcoin. That's all right. And I think the same for SPCE right now. SPCE is a stock for the future, right? It's not a stock for today. It's why I'm just holding it. It's a stock for the future. When we start flying the customers and it makes money, it will really take off. Up right now, though, it just bounces up and down. And if we come out and have a look at it over the 5 year, every one of these, at least from here, I lived through. I sat and watched it live all through this. And these were the test flights. And here was the devaluation when they released more stocks, devalued the stocks. And here's where Richard Branson sold out. And everybody went, it's going to zero. Richard Branson sold it. Of course he did. He sold it here. I bet he's bought it back now. So if you look at it with some perspective, we've made some money today, but it's hardly anything in the real swing of things. So we could wake up tomorrow and it's back down at 6. It could. I don't know, but it could. Now, you're in a very different position from me, Rob. You said yourself you're more of a day trader. I know I day trade, but right now we're in a bear market. I'm just accumulating rather than trading. You said yourself you're more of a day trader. Perhaps for you, having made such an amount of money, 13 grand, maybe sell it. 13 grand is 13 grand in your pocket. I mean, That's a huge amount of money. That's nearly half of the value of my entire portfolio in one day. I mean, that's not bad, is it? Sell it, maybe. But of course, if it carries on going, you'll miss out because it will go to 100. So, I don't know. For me, if it goes down tomorrow, it's fine. I mean, I don't feel bad today that Virgin Orbit has gone down. I wanted it to go down because I wanted to get my full allocation first. I do want to be long on space though, yeah. Okay. Well, obviously, if people hold it, it won't go down. You know, if we all hold it and thousands and thousands of other people hold it, it won't go down, right? So we need to do a YouTube video and say, don't sell your Virgin Galactic. Anyway, Dennis Poirier is here. Dennis, how are you? Lovely to see Dennis. I wanted to add, and I missed it, just another 1,000 shares, waiting for potential drop between now and September. There very well may be. There very well may be. But I think the Boeing news is a little bit different than the other news. The other rumours and stuff, not that important. I think the deal with Boeing is significant because now people know it's serious, like they shouldn't have known before, right? But some people go, okay, Richard Branson does know what he's doing. He's only built Virgin Galactic, Virgin Airlines, Virgin Orbit, Virgin Trains, Virgin Banks, Virgin Hotels, Virgin Music, Virgin Record. I mean, we go on and on. But some people don't know all that. They don't know all that pedigree, and they don't really understand the stock. And I've watched YouTube channels that don't understand the stock at all. They say they're comparing it to Apollo missions, space missions, and going, look, they only produced one rocket a year and all this stuff. How can how can Virgin Galactic do 400 flights a year? Well, of course they can. It's like an airline company. It's completely different. Anyway, whatever. But it could well drop, but it doesn't bother me if it does. But I think the Boeing news is different. I think the Boeing news tells people who don't understand about the stock, hang on a minute, they've done a deal with Boeing. They're actually making the motherships. Okay, maybe it's real, like it was a surprise. So maybe it won't go down now because this is oversold. Remember, high growth stocks get sold out the most in a recession, depression, interest rates. They're the highest risk. That's why Virgin Galactic is a high risk stock. It's regarded as a high risk stock. So it's sold out the most. So it's oversold the most. So really, this stock should be around $16. It should be sitting around there now, shouldn't it? So, it can double it. It can go up 100% from where it is today. So our friend Rob Brennan could make 26 grand. Nearly as much as my entire portfolio. Anyway, so there you go. If you look at February 2020, it ran up to $40 just on anticipation of flights. Absolutely. Finished watching the Sailor interview. I put it in Discord. Well worth an hour. Fascinating, his opinions and stocks, crypto and the like. Paul B, I've got it on my list to do later on tonight. Listen to that. Thanks for sharing that. It's good. I'll have a listen. Is it a recent video though? Because a lot of those Michael Saylor things are not Michael Saylor. There's somebody else's YouTube channel, which is a complete scam. They buy all the views so you think 20,000 people are watching it and actually they're not. And it was actually recorded a year ago. I haven't looked at it yet, but is it something new and current and what he is saying today, or is it something he said 20 years ago? I mean, that's the thing I always worry about the Bitcoin videos. They're always repeats, go round and round and round. They're always live, and you think, well, how can Elon Musk be sat with Cathie Wood and do you remember the interview with Jack Dorsey and stuff? I must have seen that live 100 times. It happened about a year ago, but I keep seeing it, so I want to make sure that those things are real. I do want to be long on space though. Good. I'll hold strong. Nice. Well, if you hold and I hold, and we're the biggest investors in the world, right? Then the stock will stay up. I think a good thing is that the space shorts will start to cover their positions leading up to earnings call, test flights, and that will drive up the price. Yeah, we'll get a short squeeze. A lot of people think they know that what Virgin Galactic's about and they short it. And they try to bring it down. And I think you're absolutely right. Space will hit 26 to 30 in December. I think that's a very conservative estimate, Carlos, but you're not wrong. I just think it's a bit more than that. The Queen of Celebrating. Hello, Paul. Yes, I'm last. Few days done with altcoin daily, lads. There you go. Dennis Poirier. Space is worth 9 to 10 right now. Isn't that roughly about what I said? About 12. The Queen of Celebrating, welcome. Nice to see you all here. There you go. 25% short interest on space. This thing could actually squeeze. Yep. Could squeeze indeed. And then it will really pop up, right? And then again, when it goes up, people will start feeling like they're missing out. When something seems cheap, people buy in. They don't really get it. It's like Bitcoin. It seems amazing because it's $20,000. It seems cheap to people because it can go to $1 million. I mean, it's not cheap. $20,000 a coin. When did $20,000 become cheap? When did $20,000 for a string of code become cheap? Not in my head. Space will hit 26 to 30. Yeah. Sorry, busy editing on my phone. My drone video, another. Nice to have you here, Bill. Yes, in the last few days, it was done with the altcoin lads, so it's great. Thank you, Paul B. I look forward to looking at it. Pickle Picker. Picked a pecker, pickle pepper. If Peter Piper picked a pecker, pickle pepper, where's the peck of Where's the peck of pickle piper that Peter Piper picked? Bloody hell. Finally got 60 shares of space. Hey, get in. Nice fusion. If I become a whale, I will squeeze them myself. Squeeze the whale? Oh, my God. Anyway, looking very, very nice. Thank you, everyone, for being here. I hope I got everybody's name up on the screen. There's Pickle Picker. There's Rob Brennan. All right, now then. You will see, current short volume, 51,710,000 shares. All right, thank you, Fusion. Let's see if they all get short squeezed. Because if it keeps popping up like this, they'll get short squeezed and they'll have to buy in, right? Or lose their money. But what I'm more interested in is the S&P is up 1.66. I'm more interested in that because that tells me what that's going to do. Because that is the mangs, not the fangs, the mangs now. We've updated it, right? And I've got 30 shares of this with a good dividend, and this has been down for months. And this is starting to look very, very nice indeed. So I'm looking now over the last month. Have we bottomed out? Have we bottomed out? And it's certainly slowed down. Look at that. Over the last 3 months. Over the last year. Look how much growth potential we've got. At this point, we were up 10% in January. And we're down now 11%. So there's a 20% swing there. Even if we only do 10% swing. Even if we're going to do 10% swing, that's nearly what, $1,700 to me. That's very nice. And of course, if that goes up, of course, my Tesla will go up because my Tesla's part of it. My Amazon will go up because that's part of it. So will my Apple go up because it's part of it? Google, Microsoft, they'll all go up because it's part of it. Right, let's have a look. It should be Vang. I thought it was Virgin Galactic. Yeah, get Virgin Galactic and the S&P 500. Totally agree. What's a Mang? What's a Mang? Well, it used to be Fang, right? Facebook, well, it's Mang now. Anyway. What does the N stand for? If it's Fang, Facebook, Apple, Google, what was the N? What was the N? Anyone remember? Anyone remember what that one? ER, 10 points, 10 points. If you can find it before me. I'll find it. N. Nvidia. No, really? It's Apple, Amazon. Used to be Netflix. Did it? Did it? Okay. Because Nvidia, if you look, Nvidia is 1.3. So you got Apple, Microsoft, Amazon, Google, Tesla. Yeah. Berkshire Hathaway is only 1.64. So anyway. So if you look at Apple, look at Apple, that's 6%. 6% of that. Plus I've got another 7%. So I've got basically about 13.5%, whatever, in my portfolio of Apple. So I'm very pro on Apple, obviously. Oh yeah, Netflix. Good day, says Caden Youngquist. How are you, mate? Fantastic. We've had a great day today. Anyway. I know why Caden Youngquist is here. He always comes on a Thursday because he wants to be in our cash prize giveaway. Well, he's about to get very disappointed unless he's already got the newsletter. Because now we do, every Friday, we give away a cash prize. And on August the 4th, thanks to Rob Brennan, we're giving away in the after hours for Virgin Galactic's earnings, we're giving away $100 cash prize. And all our cash giveaways every week are all through our newsletter. It's the same thing. You've just got to watch the video, leave a like, leave the comment, but you won't know which video to watch and what comment to leave because all of that is in our newsletter. Now, you're too late for tomorrow. But if you want to be in next Friday's cash giveaway, you need to get the newsletter, which comes out on Sunday, 8 a.m. Central, 9 a.m. Eastern, 2 p.m. GMT. So if you've not yet got the newsletter, here it is. Click there. When you click there, it'll bring you to this. It won't bring you to that. Hang on. It won't bring you to that. It'll bring you to this page, and you click on the newsletter you want. I've got two: the Day Trader or the Martyn Lucas Music, whichever you like to get is up to you. You put your email in here, nothing more, and you subscribe to it, and then you check your inbox for the verification email to click on it. And if you don't see it, many of you don't see it, it may be in your junk folder. It is the Day Trader at martynlucas.com, and that's in the About section of this channel, but I've also put that in the chat right now, okay? There you go. There you go. So if you get that, on Sunday you'll have it, and that'll include the $100 cash video as well. So you'll have a couple of weeks for that one, August the 4th. You'll have a couple of weeks, 3 weeks, chance to get that one. Missed out on the tickers, but who cares? AMD paid me today. Did they? Good stuff. Google, thanks for the follow. Dustin William, how are you? Michael Forson, C. Marley, how are you? Let me say hello to a few TikTokers, shall I? Who have we got over there? Orchid, 3388. Chelsea Laidler. Hello, Chelsea Laidler. Woo Hacking. Hello, Woo Hacking. Banker 1976. User 777. How are you? Abundantangler. That's a funny name, isn't it? Monica Shaw, hello, good afternoon. Big Mac 2124, Major, I think it is. Omar Ghoul, Crowley 889, good afternoon, good morning to you. We got our cash giveaway if you want to be in it. All right, I subscribed and I just got 20 times more than what I put in. I just got 20 times more out than I put in. I like that. Heading home from my Tampa trip, thought I would peek in. Well, Caden Youngquist, it's wonderful to have you here. I see you're a member again. I think you won one, didn't you? Great stuff. Well, our cash prizes have now gone up. We're giving away $100 in August the 4th. Paddy is here. Alicia and Paddy, how are you from Italy? Good stuff. Welcome, welcome, welcome. So Virgin Galactic up 12% today. Very, very nice indeed. Rob, oh, by the way, the Kickstarter now is just touching, I'll show you, $976. We have today. Yesterday, I confirmed the ticket. I bought my ticket to the UK. I'm coming in October. We're going to have a day trader convention on the beach or in a pub. And it's one of the add-ons. If you want to meet me and be at the party, be in the film, back the film, whatever. It's one of the add-ons, $50. Or you can be a backer for $1 and just get the add-on. Or you can get the perk that includes it. Or you can be the Oscar member and be the star of the film if you wish to be. Anyway, there you go. If you wish to back the project, you've got 15 days left. Places are now limited for the party. It's first come, first serve. We're going to meet together in Cornwall, in England, in October. So if you want to get a ticket, you've got to be quick because it is limited. And in 15 days, it'll all be over and you will not be able to get a ticket, no matter what you do. All right? No matter what you do. What happens when the counter reaches 0? The Kickstarter finishes. We're doing a Kickstarter. I'm going to make a movie in England at Virgin Orbit. And we're making a movie and we're going to invite everyone to the event. And it's our Kickstarter. There you go. Thanks very much for asking. Omar Gould, thank you very much indeed. We're actually on YouTube right now. Jump into youtube.com/The Day Trader 1. Links in the profile. We have cash giveaways every day, every Friday. And we're here to help everyone blow. I hope it blows up. What happens? It blows up. What blows up? All right. Okay, let's come back to YouTube again. That are serious traders. We get some funny clowns over on TikTok. Always makes me laugh. Anyway, so we've made today. We're up today. $35,000, up 1,805, which is good. 5.41. It's not our very best day, but it's a good day. It's been solid now for nearly a month. See this? It's the Day Trader beer mug. Look at that. Oh, yeah, that's what I'm talking about. Excellent. Lucid on big run last few days. Yes, it's because all the high-tech, high-risk stocks now are getting investors again because they feel, IMA, buy that. IMA, what's IMA? Oh, Virgin Orbit. It's setting itself up now for my re-entry. 325. 325, that's what I'm looking for. Very, very, very nice indeed. All right. Okay, let me open up the broadcast lounge. So if anybody, any of my members want to call in, you can call in. So let me open up the broadcast lounge. Broadcast lounge is now open. If you are new here and you'd like to be part of our Discord and call in, here is the Discord link. Of course, you do need to be a member of the Day Trader to be able to call in. It's an exclusive perk. And Paddy, I notice you've turned gold today. Your badge and Alicia, your badges have turned gold. Congratulations. You've been a member now for a good period of time. Hey, Alicia and Paddy, they've turned, their badges have turned gold. Let's celebrate. Here we go. Oh, yeah. Fantastic. We love it. There we go. Fantastic. They've been a member now for quite a while for their badges to turn gold. Very, very rare. You see it on YouTube that members are members for this long. The one that everybody wants is the red YouTube one. And that's, I think, it might be a year, maybe longer. But very rare you see that on YouTube. Really, Martin? Very nice. Yeah, see it? That means you've been a member now for, oh, we just got a new subscriber, Crowley9988. I think I saw that in TikTok. Crowley's just come over from TikTok. Well, if you are in YouTube right now, say you're from TikTok and I'll put you in my cash prize draw for tomorrow. If you want to be in it, just let me know and I will sort it out. The fireworks on the screen, congrats, could use a little more realism. Could use a little more realism. Bloody hell. What do you think this is? Oh, wow. Fantastic. Yes, really good. Really good. Right. Virgin Orbit setting itself up. How am I only a green member? It's because you're new. It's because you are new. Okay. You're not green, are you? It's a light blue anyway. It's a light blue. Green are all the the guests. Green means you are a member. Blue is for moderators. But we're talking about your badge. Your name is because you are a member. Blue is because you are a moderator, and white is just a guest. Right, Crowley, Rob's Royal Blue. There you go. Crowley 9988. Let's give Crowley 9988 a nice warm welcome. Oh, well, I meant bronze, I think. Oh, there we go. Crowley 9988. Let's give Crowley a nice warm welcome. Everybody put your cities and countries in and welcome a new guest. He's come over from TikTok and I'm sure would like to be part of the cash giveaway, all the great stuff. So let's give him a warm welcome. My name is Martyn Lucas, known as the World Piano Man. This is my TV studio, and back there, where that microphone is and that piano there, I've raised over $1 million for my members, completely free of charge. I charge them nothing. I don't take any commission. I do fundraising for charities all over the world. And you too could be a member. You too could have a fundraiser. You too could have a birthday celebrator. We had one this morning and we've got one this afternoon. The Queen of Celebrating is your son here for the party. That'd be really great. Rob Brennan, I just mean I should be a higher tier. Rob Brennan, you can be a higher tier, but I think that you're only a... What are you? What level membership are you? Bronze, silver or gold? Sponsor or investor? What level are you? I don't know what level you are. I can go and look, but tell me what level you are. He's here, so we're ready, okay? So let me just come back to our guest, Crowley. So if you want to, you can be part of the family. You see, everyone's got a badge after their name. It's because nearly everyone is a member, Crowley. Everyone's putting their cities and countries in now. I'm from Dallas, Texas. That's where the studio is. But I'm actually from Cornwall in the United Kingdom. Lovely to welcome you here. Thank you very much indeed. So if you want to be a member, I will give you the invitation to become a member. You can also access Discord. You can also have a fundraiser. You can also have a birthday celebration. And you can also have the cash giveaway. There's the invitation to join if you want to be a member and get a badge and get all the perks and benefits like everybody else. And there you see why everyone's a member. They get 20 times back what they put in. And that's what it's for. We're trying to build the best YouTube channel in the world. That's our aim. By being real and live all the time, every day. And that's what we're all about. Okay, let me read some of these messages. Oh, I meant bronze. Let's read these messages. Paul B is from North Korea. Don't listen to him. He's our clown. Frisco, Texas. Frisco, Texas. I'm in Dallas. Just down the road, Crowley. Just down the road from you, Frisco, Texas. Love it. I'm just down the road from you, Crowley 9988. Lovely to have you here. Very nice to have you here. Wonderful stuff. So we're gonna celebrate a birthday now. We do have a birthday in the house, and let's get ready for that. So, are you ready for your birthday? As a member, you get a birthday, Crowley 9988. You get a birthday surprise if it's your birthday. For you, a loved one, a member of your family, the day of, the day before, or the day after. Oh, I got a super chat for it as well. How kind is that? How kind is that? We got a super chat from the Queen of Self-Braiding for her son. What's your son's name? He's watching right now. We're about to make your son very, very famous. We're about to make your son famous. The Queen of Self-Braiding. That's what we want to do. We want to make your son famous. Now, what's his name? Shall I share it on the screen? Shall I share it on the screen? Here we go. Let's make... Is he here? Enoch. Enoch. Enoch's here. Ready? Enoch, look on the screen. Look very, very closely. You might recognize this. You might recognize his face. What do you reckon? Oh, who's that on the telly? Who's that on the telly? Who's that on the telly? There you go. That's Enoch. It's his birthday today. Fantastic. Fine young man there. That's the son of the Queen of Self-Braiding. And what we're going to do, we're going to make you famous. Now, Queen, have you got all your family and friends watching right now? Have you shared the video? Have you told everyone? Because I might give you just a couple of minutes to share the link. Share the link. Enoch, have you done it? Have you told all your friends at school? Here's the link. You can text it. Go on, text that link right now. Text that link and say, I'm about to be on the telly with the World Piano Man. He's going to sing me happy birthday, and I am going to be famous on YouTube. And we're about to do that for you back in my studio. I got all the smoke ready. I got all the balloons ready. There you go. There's the link. Copy that and send it out to everybody. I'll give you a few minutes and we'll do it. Right, we're just coming up to time for a quick commercial break, bring everybody up to date, and then we will run our birthday party. Plus, we've got Day Trader of the Day, and also we got our cash giveaway. Oh, sorry, I forgot to mention our guest that came in, Crowley. Crowley, if you want to be in the cash prize giveaway, all right, we do it every Friday. But what you have to do is watch like a 1-minute video and leave a comment on it. That's all you've got to do to be in the draw. But unfortunately, you're too late for tomorrow's competition. You're too late. You can be in next Fridays because you get the link for the video from the newsletter. And the newsletter comes out on Sunday. It's free. Here is the newsletter. Click on that. And when you click on that, you will come up to this screen here. And you can then get the newsletter, put your email in, and it's free to enter, free for all. You'll get a newsletter, and then you can enter the competition for next Friday, okay? Plus, every Friday after that, we have a draw, and every Friday we give away money, and August the 4th, we give away $100. So we do it every week. Once you've got the newsletter once, it comes every week. That's it. And don't forget to verify the email with this email I'm giving you right now. Here we go. There you go. There it is in the chat. Okay. Enoch. Is everybody ready right now? Oh, there we go. The stocks are going back up again. It didn't quite hit the bottom. Right. Be back tomorrow, folks. Moscow catches you later. Moscow. Got it. Thanks. Excellent. Crowley from Frisco, down the road from me. I'm down in Dallas, not very far away. And that's it. And if you want to be a member and you want to be on Discord, message me and you can. If you've got a fundraiser you want to do. And also, if you're a silver member, just so you know, I put you on the homepage of my YouTube channel. Make a video for you if you make me a manager. And during the shows on Friday, this is the homepage of the Day Trader. We promote you and we get everyone to watch a video I've made for you and get you more subscribers. You might not be a YouTuber. You might not care about that. But if you are, that's how I can help you. I'm here to grow the best supportive channel in the world. Virgin Galactic Sebdeen. Right. I think we're ready for our birthday treat. I think we're all ready. Have you told everybody? So here we go. We'll put a 1 minute on the clock. I'm not doing it until we get to 20 likes. We've only got 12. So I'm very, very upset with everybody. I'm very, very upset. Here we go. Here's a 1 minute on the clock. We're going to sing happy birthday to Enoch when we get 20 likes. We only have 12. And there's 24 watching. So here we go. 1 minute on the clock, 20 likes, and then we'll do happy birthday. Go. In the meantime, I'm having a drink. I'm going to go on strike. Chicky, 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 oop, bow, bow. The real Satoshi, please stand up. Please stand up, say please stand up. Well, the real Satoshi, please stand up. Nakamoto. 14 likes. I need another 6. If we're going to do happy birthday, we need 20 likes. What's going on? We can't let Enoch down. It's his birthday. I know. There we go. How did we do? 14? That's terrible. What a lot of rubbish. 15? Bit better. Oh, we got to do it, don't we? Should we cancel Enoch's birthday? Should we cancel it? Should we say to him we can't do it? Should we just cancel it? Enoch, I'm going to cancel your birthday, mate. I'm not going to do it. Horvath said, I don't understand. Now, one of the things I want to do, Horvath, when I go to the UK in October to meet all the day traders for the Kickstarter, one of the things I want to do is go to the headquarters for Arrival. It's not very far away. I want to go there and find out what's going on, make a movie. So I am on it. I'm on it. I'm trying to find out. It might be because the microfactories aren't producing yet and there's no reason for it to go up. Everything else is producing. They're not producing yet. They're still ramping up. All right. The Kickstarter is just under $1,000 right now, 976 with just 15 days to go. It's time to do Enoch's birthday. Queen of Self-Braiding, are you still here? Right, you ready? Fintel saying 72 score out of 100 score. Oh, Fintel saying 72.94 score out of 100 for a short squeeze. Oh, very nice. N stands for Netflix. Thank you very much indeed. Horvath Daniel, have some patience. I am here. Right, okay. It is time to celebrate Enoch's birthday. So, I hope you shared it with everybody. I hope all your friends are watching live, Enoch, because you're about to become very, very famous on the telly. On the telly. Here we go. Let me get Enoch on the screen just for a second, folks. Here he is. And I want everyone to copy and paste. Let me put the smoke on. Here we go. Let's turn the smoke on. All right, let's get ready. We got Enoch on the screen right now. There he is. So what we're going to do now is we are going to I forgot how to turn it off. We're gonna go to. I forgot what I was doing then for a minute. I'm gonna put everyone's comments on the screen so it rolls through. Right. I want everyone to comment, copy and paste. Happy birthday. How old is Enoch? How old is Enoch? There you go. Start copying and paste. If you don't do it, you're a miserable sod. And Enoch is the son of Queen of Self-Braiding, who's very, very important. She's the Queen of Self-Braiding. She's a gold badge member. She deserves the best, and so does her son. Are you ready? Okay, here we go. Let's get it going then. Okay, it's rolling through. It's copy and paste. There you go. You're getting the hang of it. You're getting the hang of it. Right, let me go. Let me go over to the piano then. I got to just change the lights to there. Look, change back to there. See how I do that? All the insides of what I'm doing. All right. Put that on there so they can see on TikTok. You ready? Okay, here we go, everybody. Enoch. Enoch. Here we go. All right. Press this button over here. And press this button over here. There we go. Are you ready? Enoch is about to get famous. Okay. Here we go. Are you ready? Are you ready now? Are you ready? Everyone, copy and paste, copy and paste. Let's go! Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday out of you. Happy birthday, Mr. Enoch. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Yeah. Happy birthday, Mr. Enoch. Happy birthday to you. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Mr. Enoch. Happy birthday to you. Shall we do it one more time? One more time. Let's do it just one more time. 1, 2, 1, 2. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Mr. Enoch. Happy birthday to you. To you, to you, to you, to you, to you. Yeah! All right! Happy birthday, Enoch. Absolutely fantastic. I hope you enjoyed that. Now, of course, Queen is celebrating. You know what to do. Clip the video. Go underneath the video. Underneath the video, you will see the clip. Start it when I started singing the song. It goes for a minute, and then if people are enjoying it, they simply clip. Simply click, carry on. They can watch the rest of it. So there you go. Clip it, share it on your social media, text it all your friends, and let's make Enoch really, really, really famous at school. If you send that to everybody, all your friends at school, Enoch, you will be the most famous person on YouTube. Oh, yeah. All right. Great stuff. Okay, let's get back to it. Get back to the trades. So let me take off the happy birthday a minute. There we go. I'll go back over to the trading screen once again. We just got to change that over there. We've got so many buttons to press, you wouldn't believe it. I've got to press them all. If I only press some of them, it don't work. All right. Okay. Here we go. Piano. All right. Okay, we're back in the seat. That one there. I need someone to press all the buttons, right? 2, 1, 2. That's what I need. That one there. Right, swing that back round there. Line that up. Rocking and rolling. We're rocking and rolling. We've got 8 minutes to go before the bell goes. Everybody's happy. Happy birthday, Enoch. I love the chat, by the way. That blew up really great tonight. Really, really great. Oh, I've got to change the lights now. Got to press the lights. Got to press that button there. There you go. There you go. So did you like that? Thank you so much, guys. Wasn't that fun? That's fun. So if you're a member of the Day Trader, if you're a member, you can have that for you, your loved ones, family, friends, whoever, the day before, the day of, or the day after. All right? And you get that if you're a member. If you're a silver member, you get a 20-minute fundraiser as well, promoting on your YouTube channel. You get loads of other benefits as well. The list goes on and on and on. We're here to help everybody. Here's 8 today. 8 minutes until Love Island. All right. Okay. Let's have a look. That information that somebody posted earlier about the short squeeze. Let me see that a minute. Whoever that was that sent me the information about the short squeeze, could you send it back in again to me, please? The numbers that you sent in for the short squeeze. Oh, hang on. Fintel, there we go. I found it. Fintel saying, I wonder if I can copy this. No, I can't. Fusion. It's Fusion who said it. Scroll back up. Looking for Fusion. Fusion. Happy birthday. Let me see if I can find Fusion. There we go. That's what I want. Fintel saying 72.94 score out of 100 for short squeeze. That's interesting. I like that. That I could make a video on. There we go. There we go. Got it. I've got it. I found it. I'm still looking for more details. Fusion, if you could send it to me through Discord, I'll make a video at the end. I think that's a very, very important video to put out, because that's what could be coming next. All right. Oh, by the way, Nobody noticed. Nobody noticed. Look. Look, look, look. What do you see? What do you see? Anyone see anything different up there? Come on, people. Can you see anything different here? Can you see anything different? Can anyone see anything different? Let me know. We got Day Trader of the Day. We got 5 minutes to go. The new mugs. Yes. We've got Mike. We've got Rob McLean. Yes, you've had a haircut. I don't need a haircut. You can't cut nothing. So there you go. No, but there you go. Can anyone see? Mike, can you see it? Is Mike here? Mike, you're finally on the screen. No, I've not got a new tie. The bloody... Look. On the screen, look. On the screen. Mike and Rob McLean. Rob McLean's got 2 pictures. Can you see it? One of them I'm on the telly. 4... You stop going on about bloody Love Island. I love it. All right, we need to do a quick commercial break before the bell goes. Everybody go live. Click the live button. Turn it from grey to red. There you go. Here we go. Alrighty then. Let's have a look. Wow, we've had 84 come through the show so far today. That's very, very good. That's a good number for a regular show. Oh, we just gained another 8 subscribers. We wait the mug for next week. When your mug comes in, with your anniversary mug, send it in. Send it in. And you can have your anniversary... Leah? Leah? Are you there? Could you pass me my anniversary mug? If you can. I actually bought one. I actually bought one myself. I thought, right, I wanted one. I tell you what, it's very, very nice. Look, that's what it looks like in person. For those of you that didn't get it, there, look at that. Hey, how pretty amazing is that? 1-year-old Day Trader mug. Oh, yeah, that's what I'm talking about. You won't miss it next year. Next year, you'll make sure you get it right. Next year. We might have a 1 year and 2 weeks mug. A 1 year and 2 weeks mug. Every 2 weeks. A Greg Secker advert. No! That's because you've watched Greg Secker. That's because you've watched it. All right. Day Trader of the Day. We got a couple of minutes to go. How many people kept open Twitch today? Only one. I bet that's Mike. The rest of you, boo. Rest of you, boo. You got to keep flipping Twitch open. It helps grow our channel. Don't be lazy, people. Anyway, let's get straight to it. If you can send that information to me, Fusion, that'd be awesome. Really, really awesome. Now then, it's your very, very, very last chance to be in on tomorrow's cash prize giveaway. First one is bound to be quieter because it was the newsletter was only released on Sunday. But here it is, one final time. I'm not going to give it you again until tomorrow. Okay, that's the last time. There it is. It's in the chat. Okay. All right, there it is. Last time. Can you explain what a short squeeze is? Yes, I shall explain what a short squeeze is. Can you explain what a short squeeze is, Martyn? Okay, I will gladly explain what a short squeeze is. Short squeeze is what happens when people try to short a stock. In other words, they are betting on a stock going down. They're shorting it. They're not longing it. They don't want it to go up. They want it to go down. And they're options trading. They're buying stocks. They're buying options contracts, betting, if you like, gambling, if you like, because I always think that is gambling in my book. You are betting that the stock is going to go down. Now, if the stock does go down, great, you win. You win. You get what you wanted. If the stock, on the other hand, starts to go up, a shorter who shorted the stock has to make a decision. Do they lose their money because they've got a contract, right? They've already bought the contract. Do they... Oh, the bell's about to go. Oh, let me ring the bell. Didn't notice that. Here we go. Let's blow the whistle. Let's blow it. Where is it? The bell has gone. Bell has gone. Yes, Virgin Galactic is heavily shorted. A lot of people trying to bring it down. So that can drive the stock down. But the trouble is, if people start to buy in and the price goes up, the shorters who have been buying the stock, trying to drive it down, they've been buying contracts to drive it down, have to either lose their money, and they don't want to do that, right? They don't want to do that. And what they have to do then, rather than lose their money, they have to buy the stock, which drives it up. So it squeezes it and then it flies up like a champagne bottle. It explodes because you've got the regular people are buying it in. The people that are trying to drive it down, hoping it would go down, it never went down. It started to go up. So they are forced to either lose money or accept the stock isn't going to go down, it's going to go up. So they have to buy in. They have to buy in. And then suddenly you've got everyone who loves the stock buying it and everyone who hates the stock buying it. So boom, up it goes. It's called a short squeeze. It's why I never short stocks. I don't like doing it. It doesn't interest me at all. And we've always said before, shorters always win the battle, but always lose the war. It's people who are going against everything that every single company is trying to do. Every company is trying to make something, build something, grow their business. And everybody who works at the company spends their entire life dedicated to building, making, and growing a business. Nobody at the factory, nobody on the board is trying to lose money and bankrupt their business. Everyone is pushing to grow a business. But people sat at home on their computers who don't do anything. They don't build anything. They don't make anything. They don't work for the company. They're just sat at home trying to destroy it. They are betting that it will go down. And they want it to go down. And because they bought a contract, that contract will either expire or they have to buy the stock back. So if they buy it, up it goes. And if they don't, they lose their money. So most shorters will end up buying the stock. They have to. Otherwise, they lose all their money. And they go, damn it, I'm buying a stock I don't even want. And that's what happens. But isn't it possibly too late when it's already up? Well, it depends when the contract expires. It depends on when the date of the contract expires. But the fact of the matter is, they're already losing money. They're already out of the money. They're already going to lose money whichever way they do it. But they'd rather buy into the stock if it's going to go up because they might make some money. But they're always on the wrong side of it. Okay? Is it institutions who are shorting mainly rather than in retail investors? I don't know the answer to that question. Anyone can short a stock. We can all do it. Institutions can do it. Anyone can buy contracts and short a stock. Anyone. If you remember, that's how Mark Cuban, the billionaire, made his money. I think he was shorting stocks. I think it was. It may have been. It was options trading. It may have been. He may have bought puts. I can't remember which one it was, but I know. Mark Cuban made his money from, I think it was shorting companies. I can't remember now. Anyway, doesn't matter. I think 9 days to cover. There you go. Both hedge funds, etc. Bye, Ali. Have a good evening. What we really want is a gamma squeeze. What we really want is a gamma squeeze. Fusion Music, do you want to explain that in the chat? Right, we've just gone past the bell. We are now just, I'm watching over on Twitch a minute. We only got one person. What's going on over there? Let's have a look. We got 92 have come through the stream. Brilliant. Absolutely great. Thank you very much. And let's have a little look. Have we... Bye, Ali. Enjoy Love Island. Have a great night, Ali. Thanks for being here, mate. Thanks, Ali. Everyone on TikTok, it's not a contract. Oh, hang on. He's on Robinhood. Why he doesn't know about shorting stocks. I do know about shorting stocks. And then great options trading on Robinhood. There's nothing wrong with Robinhood, actually. It's the best way to buy crypto. So anyway, my portfolio, you can see it on the screen. I'll share with you. I've gone from $5,000 up to $35,000. So yeah, I'm an idiot. I don't know what I'm talking about. And you could actually come onto YouTube and you could actually talk to our serious traders, or you could just troll through TikTok. Come and talk to us on YouTube. Be part of the main traders, the main investors, rather than being on TikTok, scrolling for naked ladies, shaking their bums about. All right, back to YouTube. All right, what does 9 days to cover mean? Yes, please explain. Okay, Fusion says, here we go. As the gamma of the stock option increases, this means that the option is getting closer to being at the money. Okay, out of the money, you've lost money. At the money is you're going to be on a point where you start to make money, okay? So if a market maker sells for out of the money squeeze options, they will be forced to buy more and more shares as the gamma of the option increases. This is why it's called a gamma. There you go. Boris is out, apparently. Don't even know what he did. What did he do? Boris Johnson's gone, is he? Finished. End of an era. I was nearly an MP, by the way, in the UK, and I would have been an MP. I would have been accepted. I would have won my seat. I was asked to stand for a seat in the United Kingdom, and I decided years ago, it was about 10 years ago, because I travelled all over the world, as you know, and I said, I'm not old enough yet. I want to actually learn more and experience more. So the seat that I would have stood in, the party that I was in would have won. So I would have been elected. I was I was backed and everything. I would have actually been an MP. But I chose another path. But maybe it's time to return and become Prime Minister. What do you reckon? Who would vote for me? Who would vote Martyn to be Prime Minister? What do you reckon? Does gamma matter if I don't have options? No, none of that stuff bothers you at all, Rob. None of that stuff bothers. I don't options trade either. Let me explain, Rob, something which you probably know anyway. This is the way I see it. This is for the person who thinks I don't know what I'm talking about. All right. Okay. So this is what I think, Rob. You have two ways of buying stocks. You can physically buy the stock and own the stock, own a piece of the pie, own a piece of the company physically in your hand. You pay for a share, you hand over your money, and you own for the rest of your life until you sell it a piece of the company. You own a piece of the building, the car, the manufacturers, the whole thing. You own it. Whereas you could options trade where when you buy a contract, it's a promise to buy or sell a stock. You don't own anything. You own a piece of paper with an intention of one way or another. Are you going to buy or sell? Is the stock going to go up? Is it going to go down? Whatever. And you're predicting a price on a certain date. And if it does what you want to do, you win. If it doesn't, you lose. That's the basic way of looking at it. But to me, I look at that like going up to an estate agent, a realtor, or whatever, and saying, here is $10,000 to write me a contract that I'm thinking about buying this house. If the house goes up or down, depending whether you are betting on the stock going up or down, all right, you've paid for a piece of paper. Okay? You don't own anything. And then for some reason it goes the wrong way, you lose or whatever. Okay? Whereas, and you never owned anything. You never owned anything. You then have to, when the contract expires, you either buy the stock or sell the stock or whatever. But for me, if I hand over my money and I buy the house, I own the house. I have the asset. If then the house goes down in value, I'm not bothered. I will wait until the house goes up in value because I always own the house. So I'm not bothered about the contract, whether it's a promise to go up or down. I own the house now. I don't care. And if it goes up, great. If it goes down, I wait. Okay? Why did I buy in the house in the first place? Because I thought it was a good investment or whatever. So that's why I don't options trade. Now, I'm not saying I might never options trade, but right now I don't. I like to feel I own a piece of the company. And when the markets go down, and the only reason why they go down, there's two reasons. The company doesn't perform. It's a rubbish company. Should never have bought it. Well, that's one reason. And the other reason is because people have sold the stock, and that's what drives it down. And people sell stocks because of fear. They want to put their money somewhere else. They want to sell out. Remember, everyone's on a different cycle in their life. A young person is 20 years old, comes into the market. They haven't made any money yet. They haven't earned any money yet. They've got to make money. They've got to risk. They've got to risk stocks. They've got to risk their investments. Somebody's now approaching retirement age, has made their money. They don't want to have any fear or stress. They don't really care if the market goes up or down. They might want to just sell out and sit on a beach. So everyone comes in at different points, and everyone's everyone's got a different. Everyone's involved in a different cycle, a different part of the cycle. So everyone's situation is completely different. Anyway, what's not an option? It's not an option, LOL. What's not an option? Does gamma matter if I don't have options? No, if you don't have options, you don't care less. If people short the stock, you don't care less. Doesn't matter to you, because why did you buy in the stock? I don't buy a single asset because I'm scared what everybody else is going to do. I don't care what everybody else is going to do. I buy Virgin Galactic because I believe in Richard Branson, and I believe in the dream of going into space, and I believe people will want to fly on it and spend money on it, and they'll make money. That's it. I don't care if people don't believe me. I don't care if people say it's rubbish. I'm going to sell. I'm going to short it. I'm going to try and bring it down. I don't care what they think. I don't care. They're not investing in Virgin Galactic. They're of no interest to me whatsoever. They're just trying to bring the stock down because they can't build anything. They can't make anything. They're just banking on it going to zero. Well, that doesn't interest me. I'm too busy building and making and doing good things to care about people who just want to destroy something. I don't care, because shorters and people like that often win battles, but they always lose the war. Shorters never win the war. Never. Because the markets over time always go up. The markets don't go down over time. Otherwise, nobody would invest. So the sheer, the chance of the stocks going up in the future, if you've got a good stock, is 100%. Obviously, if you buy a crappy company, it doesn't make anything, and that's different. When space goes to 50, I'll be approaching retirement age at 25. When space goes to 50, I'll be approaching retirement age at 25. Options is not an option. I totally agree. Options is not an option. Don't do it. Well, it is. I mean, a lot of people make a lot of money out of options. A lot of people will tell me, Martyn Lucas, you're an idiot. I came on and I bought Shiba Inu and I made $1 million. I know what I'm doing. All right? Now go and do it again. Go and hold on to your money. An idiot can make money. An idiot can make money on the stock market. It takes somebody else to keep it and reinvest it and make money again. Anyone can win at gambling. Anyone. Easy. I'll have over $1 million if it goes to $50. Well, you're going to have $1 million then. When Virgin Galactic fly and makes money, wow, yep. Absolutely. I totally agree. You will. All right, it's time to finish the show. Day trader of the day. Right, day trader of the day. And, hey, Rob Brennan, didn't you say to me today, if you made a lot of money, you were going to back the campaign? We're at 976. We're just under $1,000. Look at this. You made $11,000 today. Didn't you say that? I think he did. Look, we're at 976 right now. There we go. There we go. Anyway, it's time to do day trade. I've been waiting for this all day long. I've been waiting for it all day long. It's the biggest thing in my life. The biggest thing in my life. I've been waiting for it all day long, Dexter Sickles says. Day trader of the day. It's the highlight of my life. Yes, I did. Give me 1 sec. Oh, hang on. This will be interesting. What's he going to do? What's Rob Brennan going to do? Bloody hell, this will be interesting. What is Rob Brennan going to do? Because now what he has to do, he's already pledged. He has to cancel his pledge and change it. He has to change it. You can do an add-on, but the only add-on is $50 and he's already got that. So he has to cancel and do it again. So this will be very, very interesting. What does everybody think he's going to do? Anybody know? Anyway, I've no idea. No idea. He made $11,000, so I reckon he'll do about $10,000. I mean, he did say it was because of you that I bought it. He said I wasn't going to buy it. So it's because of me he's made 11 grand. Who thinks that Rob Brennan should who thinks that Rob Brennan should back the campaign for $10,000? Who thinks that? Oh, he wants the Kickstarter. He wants it. Look, here's the link. All right, here it is. Kickstarter. Let's see. Shall we see what he does? Thank you, the day trader, for making it possible for Enoch. Making it possible? What do you mean? What did I do? What did I do? There's the Kickstarter, Rob. What did I do? Queen, thank you, the day trader, for making it possible for Enoch. It's absolutely my pleasure. Do you know how to do the clip? Do you know how to do that? Under the video, click the little clip thing. Shall I show you it? Do you know how to do it? Here's the video playing live right now. Let me show you, and then we're gonna do day trader of the day. Right, here's the video. Look, playing right now. So all you do, look, it's got a clip under the video. See it? And you can do a 1 minute clip. So you pick the point to go from here to here. And you save it, and it's your own video file. It's your video. And then because it's longer than a minute, people can click at the end of it to carry on watching it. They'll just carry on watching it. You only have to do a minute. They'll just carry on watching it. And then you can share that link into Discord. In fact, that's your homework. I want to see it appear in Discord later on. That very little link that you've created. And what you do is you put the link, so you clip it from here to here, and then you share it on Discord. And you put it in live clips of the show. You put it in here. Right? You put it in here. Live clips of the show. See it here? Live clips of the show. And you put the link in there. And then you can share that link wherever you want and everyone can watch it. All right? And then Enoch can have his very own video forever. Otherwise, you'll lose it. And you don't want that, do you? Birthday song, Dexter Sickles. Yeah, we did birthday. We did it. Dexter, right. Are you ready? Okay, day trader of the day. Day trader of the day. Everyone get ready for it. Chicky chicky. Here we go. Here goes. Chicky chicky boom boom boom. All right, here we go. Get ready for the day trader of the day. We're going to see who wins the prize tonight. Who is the star trader? Let's have a little look. Right, I'm going to post my score first. Hang on, Dexter Sickles. Hang on a minute. Wait, don't get carried away. Bloody hell, bloody hell. Steady on. Are you ready? Let's do it. Here is day trader of the day. Let's do it right now. So I am up. I hate you. How come everybody beats me every time? What's going on? I'm at 5.04 percentage points. You ready? 5.04. I am up. I'm posting my score first. Wait for it. Stop jumping in. Stop jumping the gun. It's my show. Fusion is up $8,000. $8,000? Bloody hell. Everyone's doing better than me. Right, where's my score gone? Right, here we go. I have made 1,600. Everybody's made more money than me. It's bang out of order. It's my show. Right, here we go. 1 minute on the clock. Let's go. Chiggy 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 bow bow, chiggy chiggy bow bow. Real Satoshi, please stand up. Please stand up. Say please stand up. Will the real Satoshi? Dexter goes right in the lead. He's up 14.41. Fusion is just behind at 9.12. Dexter still holds the position at 14.41. Chiggy 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 ba ba. There's me with a measly 5%. It's your show, mine. It is my show. You're flipping right. The Queen of Celebrating is 4.6, 9.12. Rob Brennan is up, excluding margin, $12,000. 12.12. Nice one. 12.12. But the lead winner is Dexter Sickles with 14.41. There you go. There you go. 14.41. Can you believe it? There we go. Absolutely awesome. Absolutely fantastic. We've got a great score. Dexter Sickles is the winner. Absolutely awesome, awesome, awesome. And Mr. Clockwork is up. Everyone's up more than me. What's going on? What's going on? This doesn't make any sense to me. Congratulations, Dexter Rob. That's solid. I'm up $10,500. $10,500? Bloody hell. Bring on the super chat. Bring on the super chat. $10,000. I love it. Right, so here we go. Here we go. Dexter Sickle is up 14.41. Thank you very much for your honest trades. Let's check it out. There we go. Give him a big thumbs up. There we go. And here comes the music. You ready? Here we go. Congratulations. Dexter Sickles. Bloody hell, that's amazing. I can't believe it. How come everybody makes more money than me? I don't understand it. We share the same information. I clearly don't know what I'm doing. Right. Okay, here we go. I'm going to Disney World now. Dexter Sickles is a gazillionaire. All right. Thank you very much indeed. Awesome stuff. Well, Rob Brennan has just said to me, check your Kickstarter. I added a small bit more. Are you ready? Shall we go and have a look at Kickstarter? Shall we refresh it? Shall we have a look? Shall we have a look? It was, what was it before? Oh, Rob, check Kickstarter. I'm checking it now. I'm checking it now. I had 2 penny stocks just jump today. Very nice indeed. Rob Brennan, give me a £4.49 super chat. Check Kickstarter. Shall I check it now? Shall I check it? What was it before? 926, wasn't it? Something like that. You ready? Ooh, I'm excited. I'm excited. Let's go and check it. Let's go and check it. Are you ready? Here we go. Here we go. Here we go. Here we go. So let's have a little look. Here it comes on the screen. Oh, cheers, Rob. Let's check it in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Hey, $1,200. There we go. We've now paid for the flight. We paid for the flight. So now I'm getting to Cornwall in England. Okay, we're going to get there. And that, obviously, I'm going to get there and make the film right there where you see that picture, that plane coming out. Rob Brennan, thank you so much indeed for backing the project. Make sure that you take advantage of all of the perks. I believe that you'll be in... I know you said you didn't want to be in the film, so we may be able to... You said, like, give it to somebody else. Maybe somebody else will... want to buy that, but we do have a position to be in the film. Plus, of course, we're all going to get together. Oh, hang on, we got a short squeeze. We got a short squeeze on Virgin Galactic. Space squeeze, let's go. Space, next stop, Uranus. Uranus. So thank you very, very much indeed. That is a huge, huge support to our channel. Thank you very much indeed, Rob Brennan, for everything you've done to support that. That is absolutely incredible. We've got 10 backers now, and that is absolutely fantastic. Thank you very, very much indeed for that. There we go. And I think it absolutely deserves a big fireworks. What do you reckon? I think it does. I think it does. There we go. Absolutely. Congratulations as well. Thank you so much indeed for that. Really love it. There we go. Someone said earlier, the fireworks don't look like fireworks. What's wrong with the fireworks? They look pretty good. What's wrong with them? What's wrong with the fireworks? I think they look good. I think they look good. I don't see anything wrong with that. Cheers, mate. There you go. Thank you very much indeed. Cheers. Brilliant. There you go. Thank you very much. What a great night it's been. What a great day it's been. I'm up $35. Hey, nice one, Bill. Nice one, Bill. There we go. Fantastic stuff. Now then, we're back tomorrow morning with our cash prize giveaway. So if you've got the newsletter from Sunday, if you've got it now and you've read it, please scroll to the bottom and look for the competition. Look for the video you're supposed to watch. Watch it all the way through. Leave the comment it tells you, like it, and you will be in the draw tomorrow. I will tell you, there are only 5 people in the draw for tomorrow. I'm sure next Friday it'll be better. And I'll tell you right now, how many people. Let's have a look. It's I'll just refresh the screen and see. It's showing 71 and 59. That means 71 people have done it, but only 59 have verified. So you can see there are a few people that haven't verified. So 71 and 59. Let me have a look now, see if it's changed. 71 and 59, 71 and 59, 71 and 59. Oh, 72 and 59. So another person's signed up, but not verified. There you go. Look, there you go. There you go. 72 and 59. So there's a few people there that haven't actually verified it yet. But 59 people will now receive the email for next Friday. But that doesn't mean they'll actually read it, and doesn't mean they'll actually enter the competition. But it's there, available for everyone. So it's up to you whether you enter it or not. Okay, well done, Rob. How's space doing after hours? Rob, it's up after hours. The short squeeze hasn't happened yet. But if it keeps going up, it will. It depends when the contracts expire. Down 0.04 on space. I'm putting a sell order in on my space shares at $50, so they can't borrow my shares. I'm putting a sell order in on my space shares at $50, so they can't borrow my shares. Now, you were saying the other day, you can actually loan out your shares and people then short them and bring them down. I've heard that, but I haven't yet got that facility. I've not been able to use that facility yet, so I don't know. I don't have that experience of that, but it makes perfect sense. If you put a sell on, they do that, can they? Not sure that really works, but they used to do it on Reddit. I don't know. I've never heard of it. I don't know. But it kind of makes sense because you're not lending your stocks out, are you? If you put a sale on it, kind of makes sense. I don't know. I've never experienced that, so I don't want to give any false information. Vorb. I bought some more Vorb. I'm nearly all in on Vorb now. I have set it for $3.25. I did buy it. Don't worry, those shares will never go to 50. Arnold the Palmer. Oh, Arnold the Palmer. You're going to look so... what's the word I'm looking for? I want to be nice and polite. You're going to look so wrong. I'm going to use that word. You're going to look so wrong when it does go up. You just don't know Richard Branson. You just don't know their belief and their ambition. But that's fine. You are entitled to your opinion. Anyway, there we go. We're going to wrap up today's show. Maybe in 20 years. Never stop at 50. All right, okay. So there we go. There's our new frame around the outside. Can you see it? We've got Rob McLean here with his anniversary mug. See it? There, look. And we got Mike. See, Mike, you're here now. There's Mike with his anniversary mug. And there's Rob McLean there with his anniversary mug, and he's on the telly. See, look, I'm on the telly. I'm on the telly. I'm on the telly. So there we go. What a great day. Everybody's made money. Everyone's happy. Tomorrow is Friday, the last day of the week. Tomorrow is our cash prize giveaway. And I hope you all win, even though only one of you can. Thanks, Martyn. You're welcome, mate. You're welcome. Everything is possible. Everything is possible if you're a believer. If you're a shorter, you don't believe in anything. You just want to bring the world down to zero. And good luck to you, because you always get squeezed eventually. Eventually, you do. Eventually, shorters always lose. Thanks, Martyn. You're very welcome. Green Friday inbound. Rob Brennan. Well, we'll see. We will see. If we do lose some ground today, we do. I'm kind of looking to the future anyway. How many shares do you own, Fusion? Stay positive. Indeed, indeed, indeed. All right. I'm going to see you all back in the morning for the opening bell. I have 20,500 shares. Does anyone have more? I doubt it, mate. I doubt. Does anybody have more than 20,000 shares? What sort of show do you think this is? Warren Buffett's private show? 20,000 shares indeed. Yeah, we all have. I have 50,000. How about that? Stick that in your pipe and smoke it. All right. We'll see you all back in the morning. I am at 13,000. I thought 13,000 was pretty good. I have 345,000 Jasmine coins. Do you know what, Mr. Clockwork? That's even better. Even better. 345,000. If you bought Shiba Inu, you probably have 23 trillion coins. Think of it that way. Anyway, I'll see you back in the morning. Thank you very much indeed for being part of today's show. If you didn't see the videos earlier, go and check them out, because you could do me a favour, actually. Do you want to do me a favour? Does anybody want to be nice? Does there anybody here who actually wants to be nice? This show is delightful. It is delightful. I agree. I think it's delightful. Right, I brought two videos out today. And they're here. Let me go back to here a minute. And I want everyone to watch one. In fact, watch both. I beg your pardon. And I want you to leave a comment. Some of you haven't even watched it. I'm trying to go viral here, and you're not helping me. These two videos, look at my uploads. Go to the YouTube channel and go to the uploads. See it here, look? The latest videos. These two latest videos. These videos, I think, could go viral. Even Richard Branson's on it, look. Look, Richard Branson's on it. Okay? I'm going to give you both of them right now. In the chat. Right, here's the first one. Right, vid 1. Copy and paste these links. There's vid 1. Right. There's vid 1. And here's vid 2. If you don't watch them, there's going to be hell up. I want to see everybody's comment on these videos. All right? I'll look down later on and I'll see. And I'll know. And if you don't do it, there'll be hell up. Tomorrow morning, there'll be hell up. I'll be going, oi, you didn't do it. No, I'll name and shame in the morning. There you go. 2 videos there. Look, that's your homework. Go and watch those 2 videos. Leave a like, leave a comment. And in the morning, I'll bring up those videos and go, look, Rob Brennan didn't comment. Fusion didn't comment. They didn't try to help the channel grow. Boo to them. And then I'll exclude them from the competition. How about that? Right. Enough's enough. Time to get off. See you back in the morning. Happy birthday, our young man. There we go. Take care of yourselves and each other.